Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I have a great update for Aimogen. Let's give some love to the bulk AI post creators and specifically to the Amazon product review part of the bulk AI post creators. So when you are creating Amazon product reviews, you will be able, starting from now in the latest plugin update, to create external WooCommerce products and to assign to them your affiliate URL. So the WooCommerce product, when the customers click buy, will lead directly to Amazon affiliate link and the Amazon product. So let me show you this in action. Aimogen is linked in this video description as always, and let me start by going to settings. In the settings, go to bulk posts tab and scroll down until you see the WooCommerce settings and create external WooCommerce products in Amazon product review. Check this to be green and save settings. After this is done, go to bulk AI post creators and add here in the Amazon product review something that you want to review. You can add your assign or a simple keyword. So let's use this as laptop keyword now and click settings. It is important to select product in the item type instead of post. Go to product. To show the product, you will need to have WooCommerce installed and active on your site. So this is needed. After you done this settings change in the settings and set also item type to product, you will need to save. And let's see what products I have here so far published on my site. And until this is loading, we have no products here. Now let's go to the plugin and let's start importing. So we are now running importing in the plugin, and we see that it is getting results from Amazon, and afterwards it will be starting the writing process using AI. And we have here the huge prompt that is generating our content, and afterwards we will be seeing also the nice product published here on our site. So this should not take more than a couple of minutes to finish. And afterwards we will be able to refresh the products page and see what we will get. It will be the external product that we will be creating. So we are already creating the outro. So the excerpt is the last step and the green check mark appeared. We are now refreshing the product list, and here it is. The Asus VivoBook laptop review is live on our site, and it is an external product set to our URL. Also, if you want to get affiliate revenue, don't forget to add your affiliate ID here. So if you add your affiliate ID in the associate ID, you will also get affiliate revenue. Otherwise it will be a plain Amazon URL where the product will be linking. So here it is. This is the review. And we have, because this is an external WooCommerce product, instead of add to cart, we have the buy product button, which if clicked will lead directly to Amazon with our affiliate link added if you add your associate ID here in the settings of the rule. So be sure to add this to each rule that you create. Add your associate ID here. Okay, so we can save this. Now with our associate ID created, let's delete the product and let's recreate it, because last time I forgot to add my associate ID there, and yeah, the product was created with plain Amazon URL, not with our associate ID affiliate link. Okay, now this will take only a couple of seconds more to finish, and afterwards I will be able to show you once again Aimogen's power, which is also now creating external products for WooCommerce. So we have the topic content now, and we will see soon our external affiliate link in the external WooCommerce product. Okay, so while this is processing, let me ask you to write any ideas, suggestion, feedback in the comments of this video. It is really appreciated. Also like, share, subscribe. I really enjoy creating these videos, and you can drive me forward doing this. So we have the process completed. Let's check the product. And here it is. We will be going, and the affiliate link will lead to our Amazon product, and this time our affiliate tag is also added here to the product, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, this is for today. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Aiomatic is linked in this video's description, and as always, this is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.